Hello friends, welcome back to CAD practice. Today we are going to make a sheet metal practice in Autodesk Inventor 2023. For this model, we will use the sheet metal commands which are face flange, corner round, cut command, extrude command, and cut command once again. So let's get started with today's tutorial. Take a sheet metal part in millimeter, double click. Now take a 2D sketch. Select the exit plane, it will be the top plane, and rotate it from here. We are going to make this drawing. According to drawing, we will make the part. So first, the outer dimensions are 20 into 50. The 20 will be the width and 50 will be the height. Okay, go to Inventor. We will take the rectangle command and take the 2-point center rectangle. Select the center point and extend it. The width was 20, tab 50 as a okay. Now the thickness of the sheet is given 0.5. So exit the sketch, and now we will select the thickness of the sheet from here. By default, the thickness of sheet is given 0.5 in Autodesk Inventor. You can change it by unchecking this box, and you can change whatever you want, but at present we are using 0.5 mm sheet, so we will simply apply. Okay, now take the face command. It will automatically select the sketch, and the thickness of the sheet will go upwards by 0.5, and okay. Now from here we this profile is made. This is the base. Now we want to make this bending profile. The dimensions are same. This view is for this view is for this face. Okay, so the dimension of bending are 20 as a height, and the width 20 as a width, and this dimension will be remain same as 50. So we'll take the flange command, select this edge. By default the angle is 90 degree. The dimension we want is 20 mm, and okay. Now we want to make this holding profile. For this, the dimensions are the radius is given of r5, and from here this is 5 mm, so it will be 10, 5 plus 5 mm of radius. The height from till here will be 10, and the width will be 5 radius here, half radius is half of dia, so the diametrically it will be 10 mm. It will be a profile of 10 into 10. So now go back to flange command, select the outer edge. The angle will remain 90. Now as you can see, it is selecting whole edge. So click on more settings and select width. We need a width of 10 mm and the height of also 10 mm, and okay. Now you can see, as this profile is completely round from here with radius 5, so we will go for the round command, corner round command, and we'll take the radius as 5 mm. Select this edge, and you can from here also select this side edge. Okay, now profile will be made completely round, and okay. Now you can see there is a hole which is of dia 5 mm. Select this face, go to create a sketch, select the circle command, make a circle of dia 5 mm. Now you can see this is not a fully constrained profile, so go to constraints, go to concentric constraint, select the sketch, and select this radial profile. It will automatically shift to its center point and make it concentric. Both the circle will be made from same center point, and finish the sketch. Now go to the cut command. It will automatically select the profile and cut it to the thickness of the sheet, and OK. Now this profile is made. Now we will make the cutting profiles. We will make this profile, then this profile. Select this face, make a new sketch. We will rotate it. Now we will make this whole profiles first. So select the circle command, make the circle of dia 3. Here the dimensions are given. You have to make dia 3, 8 circles of dia 3. 8 is the quantity of circles, and the dimension is 3 dia, 3 mm dia. From bottom this is 14 mm, and from this side this is 4, and next one is 8. Okay, we'll make one more circle. For this circle we will not give the dimension. We will take the equal command and select both the circles. This will make them equal. From this the profit of this command is, if you want to change the diameter in future, you can change it once. If I make this dia as 10, both the circles will be made of 10 mm. If the dia is 5, both the circles will be of 5 mm. We have 3 as dia. From bottom this was 14 mm, and from side this was 4 mm. This is 4 mm, this is 40 mm. The distance between both the circles is 8 mm. This distance is 8 mm. Now take the horizontal constraint, select this center point, select this center point. This is fully constrained profile now. But we have to repeat these circles. Then we have to take the rectangle array, rectangle pattern, select both the profiles. For giving the direction, click on this and select this edge. As you can see, this profile is going downwards, but we have to make an array upwards. For that, flip the direction and give the quantity as 4, and the center to center distance will be 8 mm. And okay, this profile is complete. Now we will make this profile, the slot profile. For this, the dimensions are given 10, the width is 5 mm. So for this, go to software, take a rectangle of 2-point rectangle, select this. Now give the dimensions. This is 5 mm and this is 10 mm. Okay. From top this is 3 mm and from this side this is 5. From side this is 5 mm. From top this is 3 mm. Now you can see this is the radius is given on all the 4 edges. The radius is of R2, 2 mm radius. So we'll give the radius in sketch only. Select the fillet command. By default radius is 2 mm. Select this and this line. Select this both and select this. Okay. Now this profile is also complete. Now this face profiles, all profiles are complete. Now go to sheet metal, select the cut command and select all the profiles at once and okay. Now these profiles are made. Now we have to make the side cut. For side cut, we will go to rotate this profile, select this face, make a new sketch, take the 2-point rectangle and drag it till here. The dimensions given are here. The height will be, this height will be 9 mm and from side this is 3 mm and the width is 5 mm. Okay, and in this profile this cutting depth is 6.87. Go to dimension, give the dimension as 9 mm, width is 5 and from side this is 3 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Now this profile is made. Go to 3D model, go to extrude. From here flip the direction. This will show you till where the profile will cut. Here we want to put 6.87 as dimension. 6.87 is the cutting profile and okay. Now this profile is also complete. Go to this view. As you can see, all profiles are being made and the part is ready. The part is complete in the sheet metal domain. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos.